In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to integrate apps in Slack so you can connect your favorite tools and make your workspace far more powerful. Slack integrations help you automate tasks, receive notifications, and collaborate more efficiently without constantly switching between apps. Whether you're setting this up for a team or just for yourself, this process is simple once you know where to click. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Slack homepage. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to add the integration. Once Slack loads, you'll see your channels and sidebar on the left. From here, look toward the top of the Slack interface and click on Tools. This menu gives you access to different workspace features and settings. After clicking on Tools, find and click on Apps. This section is where Slack manages all app integrations, bots, and connected services for your workspace. When the Apps page opens, you'll see a list of apps that may already be connected, along with options to explore more. Next, click on Open in Slack Marketplace. This will take you to the official Slack app marketplace, where you can browse and search for thousands of supported apps and integrations. Once you're in the Slack marketplace, you can either scroll through popular apps or use the search bar to find a specific app you want to integrate, like Google Drive, Trello, Zoom, or any other tool your team uses. Click on the app you want to integrate to open its details page. Here, you'll be able to see what the app does, what permissions it needs, and how it works inside Slack. When you're ready, click the Add to Slack or Install button. Slack may ask you to confirm permissions or choose which channels the app can access. Review these carefully, then approve the integration. After completing this step, the app will be added to your Slack workspace and ready to use. Depending on the app, you may see a welcome message, setup instructions, or a prompt to connect your account. Take a moment to complete any required setup so the integration works correctly. And that's it! You've successfully integrated an app into Slack, making your workspace more efficient and connected. You can repeat this process anytime to add more apps or manage existing ones through the Apps section in Slack. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity tutorials, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.